Yeah, I think speaking of the talking about learning some items, maybe that's all. It was hard to sit with because it was in German, but translating it maybe it was very useful.
A limited edition. It is a full $300. The regular random mill almost. And I'm guessing it's a publisher. So it could be a little.
That's not even that bad.
No.
It's like the regular
Yeah. Yeah.
super easy.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it was very limited.
Here, I will reshare my screen. First one.
It's interesting. I like the desert. I like the not black dial. Don't necessarily love it, but that is like good for the. I don't know why they did I would prefer if they did either red hair versus red hair, but they just deviated from the middle and I don't know if it works for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. I don't love it.
Yeah.
If I were looking for the same thing as sweaters, I'd probably go for something different. The day and the date is a little intrusive maybe. But yeah, it's different. I mean, I'd probably go with whatever. Another use.
And I think this model with the silver chains would look awesome. But then again, I mean, kudos to Sid for trying